Continue Roman number second, third sum. S inversely proportional to 1 upon t square. If S is equal to 4, then t is equal to 5. Okay. Now, S is equal to k upon t square, or S t square is equal to k. Here, this is k is a constant. Okay, this is the equation of variation. Now, S is equal to 4, then t is equal to 5. Directly substitute this value. S का value 4 है, t का value 5 square. It is equal to 4. Therefore, 4 into 25. 25 fours are 100. Therefore, k is equal to, this here you write down k, 25 fours are 100. Therefore, k का value आया 100. Therefore, k is equal to 100 is the constant variation. Constant variation. And which is your equation? St square is equal to k, क्योंकि k का value मिला. Therefore, St square is equal to 100 is the equation of variation. Okay, now fourth one, x inversely proportional to 1 upon root y. If x is equal to 15, then y is equal to 9. X is equal to k upon root y. Here k is a constant. Or k is equal to x root y. This is the equation of variation. Now substitute x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 9. k is equal to, x का value 15 है and root y means root के अंदर लिखो 9. ये root 9 कौन सा नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट 9? तो 9 इज ए 3, नंबर 3 का स्क्वायर रूट 9. Therefore, k is equal to square root of 9 is 3. Therefore, the value of k is equal to 45. Okay, this is the constant variation. And put in this, x root y is equal to 45. This is the equation of variation. Now we'll go to third sum. See the third sum here. The boxes are to be filled with the apples in a heap. If 24 apples are put it in a box, then 27 boxes are needed. If 36 apples are filled in a box, how many boxes will be needed? See here, apples and boxes. Apples को भी हम लोगों ने एक अल्फाबेट लेना है, boxes को भी एक लेना है. So number I will take now, number of apples will take as x, number of boxes will take as y. Here, 24 apples are put it in 27 boxes. Okay, more the number of apples and the less is the box. Number of apples are more and boxes will be less. Here 24 apples को 27 boxes की ज़रूरत है, तो 36 apples को कितना boxes की ज़रूरत है वो हम लोग फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ओके, नाउ विल टेक नंबर ऑफ एप्पल्स विल टेक एज x. ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस आई विल टेक एज y. देयरफॉर एनीवे दिस इज इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन, x inverse proportional to 1 by y, or x is equal to k by y. This is k is a constant. Therefore, xy is equal to k, that is the equation of variation. Now what is given here? Here 24 एप्पल्स दिया, बॉक्सेस दिया 27. ओके, अभी हम लोगों का एप्पल्स मैंने x लिया एंड बॉक्सेस लिया y. ठीक है, तो x का वैल्यू 24 डालो, y का वैल्यू 27 डालो. व्हेन x इज इक्वल टू 24 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 27, this value will substitute in this. okay, अभी xy is equal to k दिया, फॉर्मूला x is equal to 24, y का वैल्यू दिया 27, therefore that is equal to k. therefore 24 into 27, therefore the value of k is equal to 648. This is the constant of variation, is the constant of variation. Therefore xy is equal to 648. This is the equation of variation. Now again one more question is given here. If 36 apples are filled in a box, अभी apples दिया है, boxes नहीं दिया, क्योंकि हमारा x वैल्यू दिया 36, y वैल्यू हम लोगों ने फाइंड आउट करना. ओके, अभी हम लोग लिखेंगे substituting x is equal to 36. Substitute x is equal to 36 in this formula. xy is equal to k. अभी x तुम लोगों को मालूम है 36, बॉक्सेस मेरे को मालूम नहीं, y k का वैल्यू ऑलरेडी यू नो 648. Therefore y is equal to 648 अपॉन 36 के डिवाइड करो, तुम लोगों को मिलेगा y का वैल्यू 18. Here you write on all equal sign. Therefore y is equal to 18. Therefore final answer you write 18 boxes will be needed. Then underline 18. Okay, now we'll go to fourth sum. That is very simple. Write the following statements using symbol of variation. The wavelength of sound, alphabet दिया L, frequency का alphabet दिया F, are in inverse variation. Inverse का मतलब मालूम है, L inversely proportional to 1 upon F. Our second question. The intensity L of light varies inversely with the square of the distance d of a screen from the lamp. Okay, अभी intensity दिया L of light and distance, square of the distance, distance का alphabet है d का square करो, L inversely proportional to 1 upon d square. That only you have to write. Fourth one, right? See the wavelength of sound L and frequency F, that is L inversely proportional to 1 upon F. That is the first one. And second question, that is given intensity I of light varies inversely with the square of the distance. Distance को d लिया और distance कैसा है, square है, d square. Therefore I proportional to 1 upon d square. Underline the answer.